Okay, a little toward me. So what to expect here? You're going to feel me push a little bit. So now you are going to feel a little pinch, and then this will sting a little. Your upper face, you won't notice the feeling of the Novocaine all that much. In your lower face, you will. It'll give you that really goofy, your lips are huge kind of feeling. Yeah. Lasts for about an hour and a half. Okay. Same thing on this side. A little push, a little pinch, and this stings a bit. Same thing again. All right, now just exactly like you are, maybe slightly open. I need to lift your lip up. You're going to feel me push on your cheek. You're going to feel a little pinch under your lip right now. Good. Great. And then this will sting a bit. Sorry. And then a sting.